Good evening, good evening. Good evening, teachers. My name is Raymond Ikot. Today, in this evening, I will be talking about the position speed sensors, which is under sa various automotive input sensors. Okay. So, number one, we have the crankshaft position sensors. Detect the positions and rotational speed of the crankshaft. It is help the ECU control ignition timing and fuel injections. So meaning to say, when the engine is running, the sensor detects the rotational of the crankshaft and send the signal to the ECU. So it can control the correct ignition. So because of these sensors, it will help to detect the correct amount, no, or correct amount of the fuel to ignite the to ignite the fuel, air and fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. Alright, so number two, we have camshaft position sensors. Monitors the position of the camshaft. It helps the ECU determine the correct timing of an engine valve and fuel injection. So this camshaft position sensor, it is stated here, it is help to correct timing of an engine valves and fuel injections. Alright, so ito siya, it will help to detect sa mga engine valve para hindi magbanggaan at saka sa fuel injection. So meaning to say, in a fuel injected engine, the sensors tells the ECU that exact position of the camshaft. So the fuel injector spray fuel at the right time. So pag maano na yung timing ng camshaft position sensor, it spray fuel at the right time. So sa yung pag saktong timing, nagbibigay siya ng fuel, no, sa inside sa combustion. Throttle position sensor detects how far the throttle valve is open. This helps the ECU control engine power and fuel delivery. So meaning to say, when the driver presses the accelerator pedal, the throttle valve is open. Okay, so the sensor detects how wide the throttle opens and inform the ECU to add more fuel. So as you can see in this picture, ito yung throttle. So yung sensor nasa gilid siya. So when you press the pedal, yung tinatawag natin dyan sa gitna, anong tawag dyan, butterfly ba yan, mag-open siya. parang sinesense niya kung gaano ka-open yung tinatawag natin na ano ba yan, butterfly ba yan, magganon-ganon yun siya, maggalaw-galaw yan siya. Okay, wheel speed sensors measure the speed of each wheel. It is used for system like ABS and traction control. Yung speed sensor daw kasi dinidetect niya yung speed, no, dinidetect niya yung speed. Ito nga, it is stated here, the speed of each wheel, kung gaano kalakas yung takbo mo. So ito naman yung system like ABS. Ito yung anti-brake system ba yan? Yan yung ibig sabihin ng ABS. So the example here, okay, while driving, it is sensor sent the vehicle speeds information to the speedometer. So yung speed sensor is dinidetect niya yung takbo, no, isisend niya sa ECU. So makikita niyo yan sa speedometer kung gaano kalakas yung pagtakbo niya. Okay, next. transmission speed sensors. Detect the speed of the transmission shaft to help control the gear shifting. At ito naman siya it is located sa transmission. So as you can see sa picture, andyan siya sa ibaba. So yung may parang circle, yan yung sensor ng transmission. Ito naman siya, it is stated here, it detects the shifting of the gear, no? It is detect the shifting, yung may mga primera, segunda, tercera, kwarta, quinta at sixta. Yan yung purpose ng sensor. Dinidetect niya lamang yung control ng gears or shifting. Tapos isi-send na niya sa ECU para makikita mo sa parang sa dashboard kung anong gear na yung ginagamit mo. Okay? So, accelerator pedal position sensor detects how much the driver presses the accelerator pedal and send the signal to the ECU. Ito naman siya, it is stated here, when you press the pedal gas, ito naman siya, madidetect niya yung tawag dito, madidetect niya yung gas pedal, no? So that sensor send a signal to the ECU to increase more power, no? So nakikita nyo naman sa pictures, based on these pictures, as you can see, there's a circle, no, naka-red circle. So yan yung sensor ng accelerator pedal. Okay, so that's my last report. So in overall summarization, each position speed sensor detects movement, alright, or position of vehicle parts and send information to the ECU. It helps the engine and vehicle system operate properly. These sensors is very important to the engine because it will detect sa mga malfunction, like yung kanina sa crankshaft, madidetect niya yung mga functions nila, no, yung mga proper timing. Okay, so that's all my report. I hope you learn something. I think may na-learn naman ata kayo. Maybe goods lang. So that's all my report. Goodbye.